HMI stands for Human-Machine Interface. It refers to the interface or interaction between a human operator and a machine, system, or device. An HMI is designed to enable humans to control, monitor, and interact with machines or systems in an efficient, intuitive, and safe way. HMIs can be found in various industries, such as manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and home automation. Common examples of HMIs include touchscreens, control panels, and mobile apps that enable users to control or monitor machines or systems. Overall, HMI is a vital part of modern technology that enables humans to interact with machines and systems to achieve various goals. HMIs are a vital part of modern technology as they enable humans to control and monitor various machines, systems, or devices in an efficient, intuitive, and safe way. Here are some specific ways in which HMIs are essential. Improving productivity. In many industries, such as manufacturing and transportation, HMIs are used to improve productivity by enabling humans to control and monitor machines and systems efficiently. For example, an HMI can be used to control the speed and direction of a conveyor belt in a factory or monitor the fuel levels and engine performance of a vehicle. Enhancing safety. HMIs also play a critical role in enhancing safety in various industries. For instance, in healthcare, HMIs can be used to monitor patients' vital signs and alert medical staff if any readings are outside of safe limits. Enabling remote control. HMIs are often used to control machines and systems remotely, which can be essential in hazardous or hard-to-reach environments. For instance, an HMI can be used to control a robot in a nuclear power plant or monitor a pipeline's condition in a remote location. Providing real-time data. HMIs can provide real-time data and visualizations that enable users to understand complex data or information quickly. For instance, in manufacturing, an HMI can be used to display production data in real time, allowing operators to identify and address any issues promptly. Overall, HMIs are essential to modern technology, enabling humans to interact with machines and systems safely, efficiently, and effectively. HMIs are used in a wide range of industries to enable humans to interact with machines and systems effectively. Overall, HMIs are essential in various industries, enabling humans to interact with machines and systems safely, efficiently, and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about PLC programming, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.